Chairete. My name is Darius, and this is the world that was. This week, I'm making some archaic Greek tiganites, which are basically very rudimentary pancakes which are fried in olive oil and decorated with sesame seeds and walnuts. They're still made today in Greece, but with ingredients that your average Athenian wouldn't have had access to in antiquity. In any case, let's now take a look at the world that was. To begin with, we need to make the batter. It's originally recorded as being a very thin, liquid batter, so we need to make this by pouring a cup's worth of wholemeal wheat flour into the bowl, followed by a pinch of salt. You can whisk this together if you want, it doesn't really do much here. Then, pour in a cup of water on top of this, followed by a generous pour of olive oil. Ancient Greek cooks would have used seawater instead of dry salt and fresh water, but whichever works best for you can be used here. But please don't actually use seawater, it's not that hygienic. If you want to make these tiganites very sweet, you can add a generous squeeze of honey to the batter before you mix it. I didn't do this here, but it really doesn't hurt the final texture of the cakes if you choose to add it or not. In any case, whisk your batter together until it's very smooth and runs off of your mixing utensil easily. Leave this aside for a couple of minutes while you deal with your pan. Pour a tablespoon's worth of olive oil onto a frying pan and put this over medium-high heat. When the oil is shimmering, ladle in some of your batter and try and spread it out as best as you can into a very thin layer. These will cook quite quickly, about 2 minutes per side. Flip them over very carefully so as to avoid scalding your arms in hot oil, and let the other side cook for the same amount of time. When both sides are done, take them off the pan and sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds over the top, along with some crushed walnuts if you want. Finally, drizzle some more honey over the tops of these before serving them up warm. Greek yogurt or cheese would make a great pairing with this. The finished cakes are very light yet filling, thanks to the wholemeal flour being used. The mixture of savoury olive oil mixing with the honey really creates a simple but delicious taste profile, which is really amplified by the use of walnuts here. Tiganites were seemingly first recorded by Athenaeus in the 2nd or 3rd century AD, but it's very likely that these were made and eaten well before then. Given how simple they are to make, being essentially flour, water and oil, it's likely that tiganites are a transformation of a rudimentary Aegean Bronze Age recipe that was just adapted to suit changing taste palates in the region. Something that we can see in most recipes from antiquity as well. In any case, I hope you all enjoyed this look at the world that was. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like on this video, or possibly even subscribing to my channel for some more ancient recipes.